Welcome to Caskinette RV, and take a look at another one of our great RVs from our inventory. This beautiful travel trailer comes equipped with outside shower, triple slides, spare tire and carrier, electric stabilizer jacks, outside storage including a full pass-through compartment, power tongue jack, an awning, entry step lights, outside kitchen cabinets and drawers, LP leak detector, interior speakers, carbon monoxide detector, booth dinette, small wardrobe for storage, 3-burner cooktop, shower skylight, drip spouts, bathroom toilet, walk-around queen bed, bathroom cabinet with mirror, cable TV hookup, high-rise faucet, ducted AC, in-floor ducted heat, entertainment center, AM/FM CD DVD player, fire extinguisher, solid surface kitchen countertops, shirt closets with nightstand. Caskinette RV is your go-to Northern New York recreational dealer. We strive to make sure your experience is a great one through our commitment to customer service. Our seasoned staff has over 35 years combined experience providing top-notch, personalized sales and service. At Caskinette RV, we value the opportunity to create long-term relationships with our customers, and we do that by making sure we exceed your expectations. We know the kind of freedom and adventure you're looking for, so come see us today. Caskinette RV is located in Carthage at 36381 New York Route 26.